First tonight, we are bringing you continuing coverage just one day after a Rochester murder case was declared a mistrial. This footage shows 26-year-old Alexander Weiss walking into the Olmsted County Courthouse yesterday. Just a few hours before the judge declared a mistrial, Weiss was charged with second-degree murder in the fatal shooting death of 17-year-old Muhammad Rahim in January of 2018. KIMT News 3's Kaylin Thompson is following the case for us and was inside the courtroom yesterday when the judge announced the decision. She joins us now live in the Rochester studio with an update. Kaylin?
Amy, whether or not there will be another trial is up to the state. I did speak to one attorney today who is not involved in the case, but explains just how difficult of a case it really is. What happened back on January 14th, 2018 is not black and white.
It's a very difficult case.
Attorney Steve Rolsh says this is a case based on decisions.
What would you do? It's easy to say in hindsight that we'd all go in our car and lock it and wait for the police. We don't know if that would happen. We don't know what would have happened. We're not sure. That's the real difficulty, I think.
So difficult that the 12-member jury could not come to an agreement, leading to the judge declaring a mistrial.
That really probably was the key to this case, is at what point did the jury believe Mr. Weiss had a duty to retreat?
The county attorney's office will have to decide if they want to try the Alexander Weiss case again.
They have to fit the facts to the crime, so that's their job. And I'm sure this was not easy for them either. It's not an easy thing to do, charge someone with murder.
With this all going back to the concept of self-defense.
That's what we're going to sit down and think about. Are there ways that we can present this question better?
A review hearing for this case is scheduled for June 6th at 9 a.m. at the Olmsted County Courthouse. Live in the Rochester studio, Kaylin Thompson, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Kaylin. KIMT News 3 will be at that hearing. Be sure to stay with KIMT for our continuing coverage of this case.